What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to Hauler's Garage. As you know, my name's Bo. Quick little video today, I think. Noticed recently my blower motor for my climate control it's just real sporadic. You turn it on high, sometimes it'll work, sometimes it won't. Sometimes it'll turn itself down to half. You know, just the blower motor speed's just real inconsistent. And so I'm gonna try the ballast resistor. I stopped by here at my local O'Reilly's right down the road from the house and picked up a ballast resistor. It's a real simple fix. It was like 80 bucks, but it's real simple. Turn you guys around here and I'll show you guys what we got going on. Get a little light here. It is just right here. You can see the blower motors here, the resistors here, just 2 screws is all it is. Just unplug it. I even borrowed a screwdriver from O'Reilly's. Now I could just, instead of going and taking this out, I could just unplug it and plug the new one in and try that and see if that's what's up with it, but I'm pretty sure it is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this one out and get this one out of the package here. Alrighty, so it's pretty identical. Yep, same exact thing. So then we just gonna go make sure I got it turned the right direction. Man, don't really want to go up in there. There we go. I don't know if you saw me there, but it didn't want to go straight in. So I can't get it back out. Dadgummit. I'll be right back. Let me figure this out. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Man, that thing did not want to go up in there easy. But I pulled it back out, just make sure what was going on. And like I said, if you turn it like here and stick that end up in there, it just went right up in there. I don't know why it didn't want to come back out. It was crazy. Put this screw in real quick. Sorry for the if the picture quality ain't the same as what I usually put out and stuff. I usually use my GoPro. Oop, sorry, somebody's starting up some jet skis over here. So it's just 2 little Phillips head screws. I am a really impatient guy, and I could not wait to get home and see if this fixed it. I wanted to try it, so I'm gonna just plug that right back in. Alright guys, got it installed back in the truck, returned their screwdriver back to them. Shut up, beeping at me. Like I said, got it buttoned up, returned their screwdriver to them, and got back in the truck. Now I'm going to see if it's working. So like I said before I was really disappointed in the fan output on this truck. Just it seemed like the volume was just minimal. Didn't have any. It blows good cold air, but it's just super minimal. There's just no volume. I was like, man, my air conditioners just don't work good at all. But then I heard it that day. I heard it change. I was like, whoa, my air conditioner just started blowing a lot harder. So I know the ballast resistor is what can affect the fan speed like that. So let's see what happens. Low, medium. Ooh. Okay. Well, there's high. So that's so far so good. That's not unusual for it. That seems a lot hot. Like before, it's like, so I got one, let's see how many levels I got. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 levels on my fan. Before, it seemed like maybe 2 or 3 was all I was getting, especially now that I feel this one. Man, my blower motor never blew that hard, I don't think. So I will let you guys know what happens. Like I said, sometimes it seemed like it was working great, but other times just it was very, like I said, really sporadic. Like when I got in the truck after work, it just it's like it wasn't blowing at all. So I'm gonna drive to the house, and that should tell me I only live 4 or 5 miles up the road here. So that should give me enough time to see if this thing's going to act up anymore or not. And I will let you guys know. Well, guys, truck made it back home, and she's still blowing hard as ever, harder than ever, working like it's supposed to, I think. Got a lot more volume out of the vents. For the first time, it actually got cold in there on the way home. But little, let's see here. Come home, and I don't know if you guys know or not, but I've got a built Honda Grom in the garage. Let's see if I can cover up this address here. And I was kind of expecting this today. I was expecting it to probably get delayed or some junk, but got a FedEx package. Got me a new front sprocket for the Grom, and I'll probably make a video this weekend maybe of installing that and testing that out and see what happens with that. But as always, you guys stay wonderful, stay blessed, stay in your Bible, and find somewhere to go to church this weekend. Love you guys.